Ito ang ating mga sangkap. Ground beef, carrots. Grated yung ginawa ko para madali, pero pwede yung tadtarin na maliliit, pwede yung i-chop or mince. Spring onions, garlic, breadcrumbs, sugar, pepper, salt, sesame oil. Para naman sa binder natin, hindi tayo gagamit ng egg. So, meron akong accord powder and cornstarch. This is a recipe for our sweet and sour sauce. We have carrots, ginger, onion, garlic, red bell pepper, tomato sauce, native vinegar or you could use the white vinegar, sugar, salt and pepper to taste, water, and cooking oil. So ngayon, imimix natin yung ating salt, pepper, and sugar. And ang ating garlic. Tapos haluin natin siya ng maayos. Ayan, so nahalo ko na siya ng bahagya, pero mas maganda pa rin nahahaluin natin siya with our hands. But please, do wash your hands. Dapat kasi malinis talaga yung ating kamay. So, ayan. Haluin mo lang siya hanggang ma-absorb ng ating meat, yung ating salt, pepper, and then ang ating sugar, and especially ang ating garlic. And then let's add our onions and carrots. Mix mo lang siya ng bahagya para lang makumbine yung ingredients. Ayan, na-mix ko lang siya ng bahagya. Tapos ngayon maglalagay tayo ng ating breadcrumbs. Yung breadcrumbs natin ay magsisilbing extender ng ating meat. Since hindi ako masyadong naglagay ng maraming vegetables. So, kung gusto nyo, vegetables na ilagay nyo, huwag na yung mga breadcrumbs, okay lang din. So, mix na natin siya. And then, mix na natin yung ating accord, ng ating cornstarch. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng ating sesame oil. Tapos, haluin natin siya. Ayan, so ang ginawa ko lang, kumuha lang ako ng very small portion. Frinied ko siya para matikman ko yung meat kung okay na ba yung lasa or kailangan ko pang magdagdag ng salt and pepper. So, mag-start na tayo mag-roll ng ating meat. Take a spoonful of meat mixture and then using hands, roll it and make a ping-pong size ball or golf size ball portions. Now our meatballs are ready to fry. So let's go! Preheat your cooking oil before frying. Cook over low heat and lutuin siya hanggang mag-brown na yung all sides niya and it is completely cooked also sa loob. So ayan, maganda yung kulay sa labas pero hinihinaan ko na yung apoy ko para siguradong luto din yung loob kasi minsan ganyan yung kulay pero hilaw sa loob. So, hinaan nyo lang para siguradong luto. And then drain excess oil. So now let's make the sauce. In a pan, combine the carrots, onion, ginger, garlic, red bell pepper, vinegar, and water. And then, add natin yung ating tomato sauce. Mix lang natin siya. Tapos, add na natin yung sugar, salt, and pepper. And then, mix mo lang siya again para lang mag-combine lahat ng ating ingredients. So, cook na natin siya over low heat and then bring your mixture to a simmer. And cook for another 5 minutes until slightly thick na siya and yung flavor ng spices natin ay lumabas na. Now, turn the heat off and add the meatballs. And then, haluin lang natin siya hanggang ma-coat yung ating meatballs ng sauce. So, ayan, eto na yung ating meatballs. Kung ayaw nyo ipara sa sweet and sour sauce, pwede nyo ilagay sa spaghetti sauce ninyo, or you could make a meatballs and gravy sauce. Or you can simply fry it and serve it with ketchup. And yung ating sweet and sour na sauce ay pwede nyo gamitin sa sweet and sour pork or fish. Sa reseping ito, pinakita ko sa inyo ang paggamit ng accord powder and cornstarch as our binder. Kasi yung nabibenta ng mga longganisa, ito yung ginagamit nila. Pero kung wala naman at hindi nyo feel gumamit nito at kung pambahay lang naman, i-substitute nyo lang siya ng itlog. So, okay lang yun. Ang accord powder kasi hindi lang siya binder. It also retains the color, the taste, and the moisture of the meat. And it also serves as preservative. And again, kung hindi available at hindi nyo naman feel gumamit ng accord powder at kung pambahay lang naman, okay lang na i-substitute nyo siya ng egg. O nga pala, kung napapansin nyo, hindi ako gumamit ng ibang seasoning gaya ng MSG. Pero kung feel ninyong gumamit at sanay naman talaga kayong gumamit ng MSG, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan. So, ayan. Thank you for watching my video. And please watch my other videos. And don't worry, meron pang susunod. Pag-i-edit lang muna tayo at i-upload ko na. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you!